Hello, friends. Welcome back to the Quick Bites podcast. I'm your host, Lily Parker. In this episode, we'll uncover the myth of Turkish Asure. Turkish Asure, often called Noah's pudding, is far more than a dessert. It is a profound symbol of community, faith, and abundance with roots reaching deep into history and legend. According to tradition, it commemorates the moment Noah and his family, after the Great Flood, combined the last remaining grains, dried fruits, and nuts on the ark to create a celebratory pudding as the waters receded. This origin story imbues Asure with a sacred sense of gratitude and survival. The pudding itself is a rich, complex tapestry of flavors and textures. It begins with a base of boiled wheat berries and white beans, slowly simmered until tender. To this, a symphony of ingredients is added: chickpeas, dried figs, apricots, raisins, currants, and aromatic spices like cinnamon and cloves. Sweetened generously with sugar, it is cooked into a thick, porridge-like consistency. Once cooled and ladled into bowls, it is lavishly garnished with a dazzling mosaic of pomegranate seeds, chopped walnuts, pistachios, and a dusting of cinnamon. But its true significance lies in its social ritual. Asure is traditionally prepared in vast quantities during the Islamic month of Muharram, particularly on the day of Ashura. It is then distributed to family, friends, neighbors, and even strangers, embodying the core Turkish values of hospitality, misafirperverlik, and sharing. Every spoonful, with its surprising mix of beans, fruits, and nuts, tells a story of resilience, unity, and sweetness born from scarcity. To prepare, share, and eat Asure is to participate in an edible prayer of peace and a timeless act of communal love. And that is all for this episode. Be sure to tune in to the next round for another exciting, content-filled episode with knowledge and history. Until then, be safe and eat well. Ciao.